2012 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, alloy wheels, cruise control, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, MP3 playback stereo, power windows, backup camera, satellite radio, daytime running lamps, technology package. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.